my name is Mairide Bennis and I'm doing a manufacturing engineering apprenticeship with Design Pro Automation in County Limerick. On a daily basis I build medical devices, production machines mainly, so they can range from assembly machines or inspection machines. In secondary school I was the only girl in engineering and metalwork all the way up along, and from there it was a love of practical work that kind of put me into the company. I achieved more than enough points to go to college and study an engineering degree because that's where my passion lied, but I said I actually love the practical hands-on side of it, and I've ended up with a level 7 qualification out of it, which is the equivalent of going to college for 3 or 4 years, and then I've earned my money and gotten the practical experience, which puts me in an excellent position for career progression in the future. Anyone can do anything they want to, it's just the fact of work hard at it. If you have a passion for it, absolutely go for it. You need good experience, but it's not just raw talent you need the drive. Apprenticeship is a really good option because it's suited for people who are not just academic learners. You don't have student debt, you don't have loans coming in, so it really is a good balance that way.
So that's Mairide Bennis, who is an award winner of Apprentice of the Year and a fantastic ambassador for apprenticeship. She recently graduated and is continuing to work with her company and has been promoted already actually in her company Design Pro.